Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In this previous clip that you just seen is a 4-prong trailer connector that's all corroded. And I'm going to tell you guys something right now. Don't bother trying to clean it out. Get a small file in there. Try to shove some sandpaper in there, because the problem is just going to keep coming back. Once it's corroded, you're going to have nothing but problems. And I guarantee you, the first time that you get stopped, pulled over, the ticket itself is way more expensive than just getting a new plug, cutting and soldering it back in. So what you're gonna need for this job: some solder, electrical tape, cutters, strippers, new harness. I got some heat shrink. You can bypass that and just use electrical tape if you don't have it. And electrical plug-in right there, and the soldering iron. This TS100 is probably the best soldering gun I've ever used in my life. So let's start chopping that plug and fixing her up. It was previously repaired and spliced in. It's time to replace that. So these wires are all colored, so you don't have to worry about screwing them up. Get rid of that. Get our new connector out here, and I had to buy a length because I wanted one with the waterproof connection, so it'll last a little longer. Determine your length, however long you want it. I'm gonna cut her off right here. Split your wires. Just by cutting in between. Put the heat shrink on. I don't have anything bigger, so I'm hoping this will work. My soldering pen ready. Thing heats up super fast. Wasn't getting enough heat to go through the wire, so I turned up the temperature to 400. And now we're starting to get some heat. Like I said, all the wires are colored, so you can't screw it up unless you're colorblind. I skipped the yellow wire, but you guys will get the idea of what's going down. Got my heat shrink on. And I just like to tape it all up so no wires are getting pulled. Everything should stay together. Now, so that doesn't get corroded again, I am going to fill those holes full of dielectric grease. So the white's ground. First terminal, 12 volts. So yellow will be left turn. And then green will be right turn. And then back to brown, which is tail lights. Everything's good. Here we go, all finished. Trailer wiring repair complete. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.